Hello everyone, welcome to Chirags MariaDB DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn. Sometime we are getting the MariaDB Galera cluster on the starting, so it will give you the error. It may not be safe to bootstrap the cluster from this node. Means sometime we are getting that we are unable to start our cluster nodes. So what I will do, I will change this one to some configuration. So configuration I will show you. The grastate.dat file is a critical part of the managing the MariaDB Galera cluster. The save to bootstrap parameter ensure the node being used for the bootstrap to cluster remains the most recent state of the cluster. Below the step-by-step guide to manually edit this file. So we'll just edit this file for the starting the MariaDB Galera cluster. So let me check with that. So all the nodes are running with the cluster. So I'll show you the IP. So this IP is 129 and this is 130 and this one is 131. All the servers are running. So let me log in with the MySQL minus u root minus p. All the servers are getting error to logged in. So now what I will do, I'll just check with the status of the MariaDB. So here I am able to check. Go to the right. Let me go down. So here, while not last on the leave in the main node contain all the cluster, all the updates, and to post the cluster bootstrap with this node edit. So this is the error actually. This error we are getting to the start of the Galera cluster. So cluster, if I'll try to start also, I'll get an error. So just like I'll just run this one. So I'm getting error. I'm unable to start my cluster. So what I'll do, step by step process is given there. So here first step, I'll stop the MariaDB on the all the clusters. So all three clusters are already running. In previous video, you can watch the video on the YouTube. So you'll get the already cluster configuration is done. Now I'm going to the file lab MySQL. So in this file, I'll just check. I know. So this file, there is a save to bootstrap. There is a written 1. I'll move this one to return 0. I'll move this one to 1. So control X, Y. Now what I'll do, I'll just start the new Galera cluster. So started. Now I'll start my MariaDB. Start. Similarly, I'll start the MariaDB on the all other servers. Now I'm able to check with that. So I'm just log in. Let me log in to all the servers. MySQL minus u root minus p. And if you have set the password, then give the password. So databases. So these are the databases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows are 5 databases are there. Here. So databases here also I am able to get the 5. These three are different nodes. This one server 1, server 2, server 3. You can able to see. Now what I'll do, create database. I'm creating one database Chirag in server 2. Let me check with the server 3. Here also I am able to see this one. Previously 5 rows and now I am having 6 rows. And in the first one also, so databases instead of 5, I am able to see Chirag here on the 6. So like this, we can start our MariaDB service. MariaDB service with the Galera cluster. So there is step by step is given there. Now let me check how many servers are on that. So 3 servers are participating and all are running as a primary, and cluster state UID you can check here. This is the my cluster state UID. So you can run all the servers. You'll get the similar output. If you want to check with the failover, so just I am just going to down this one node. So one node is down now. Same thing I am running there. So now we have a 4. So there is a config ID is changed now. If I am going to down one more, so now check. So cluster ID is 5 and only one node is cluster size is only 1, and this is a primary. I'm starting first one. And when the server is down, that time I'm just checking. Let me check the show databases, and I'm creating one more database. Create database Chirag 2. Just assume that. So show databases. I have a 7 row. I'm starting the first one. Start the started. Now let me check the same cluster details here. Now automatically the second first one is added there. Okay. And if I'm starting the second one also, start. And meanwhile I'm checking the show databases. Let me log in. So databases. So databases. Okay. So here you can able to see the Chirag is also there. Means that whenever the server will start, automatically that will come to the in the cluster, and it will increase to 3 because I am started this one also. Here also check and login and show databases. You can able to see Chirag 2 is also there. And I'm just adding one more database, Chirag 3, and check with the first node. Chirag 3 is also added into first node. Means my cluster is working fine. After the restart, whatever we are getting the error, we solved that error, and we did this one in sufficient way. And step by step process already I have shown in the video. And please subscribe and like for the more videos. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.